this video, I'll show you how to blur the background when your video doesn't fit the canvas in CapCut. This is especially useful when working with vertical videos inside a horizontal project, so instead of black bars, you get a nice blurred background. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and import your videos into the project. You can add both horizontal and vertical videos to the timeline. Now, drag and place your main video onto the timeline. If your video is in a vertical format inside a horizontal canvas, you will notice black bars on the sides. This is what we are going to fix. Select your video clip in the timeline. On the right side, go to the video settings and scroll down until you find the canvas option. If you don't find the canvas option, be sure your clip is in cover timeline as in mine. This one works on other timeline. By default, the canvas is set to none or original. Click on the drop-down menu and choose blur. Once you select blur, you'll see different blur styles and intensity levels. Choose the one you prefer. You can go with a lighter blur or a stronger blur depending on your style. Now the black bars are replaced with a blurred version of your video in the background, which looks much more professional. You can also customize the blur intensity to match your preference. If you have multiple clips in your timeline, you can apply the same effect to all of them by using the Apply to All option. This will make sure all your clips have the same blurred background. If needed, you can adjust each clip individually and choose different blur styles for different scenes. You can also resize your main video by adjusting the edges so it fits better within the frame. Now when you play your video, you'll see that instead of black bars, your video has a smooth blurred background, giving it a clean and modern look. And that's it. That's how you can blur the background of videos that don't fit the canvas in CapCut and make your content look much more professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.